Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Remodel Hands with Mia. If you're new here, I create content around DIY, home renovations, just fixing up my house. So if you like that type of content and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video, I am building some bifold doors. Last week, I revealed my laundry room and now I need some doors for that laundry room, so I decided to go ahead and build some bifold doors. If you ever looked up bifold doors, they can be pretty expensive, and the ones that I was looking at was about $200 per door. So we need 2 sets of doors, so I decided to build that for much cheaper. So let's go ahead and get started in building these doors. To start this project off, I am using 1x2s and 1x3s to build off a frame, and to secure everything together I'm using wood glue, and I'm also using my nail gun and just nailing it together. And you can also use clamps to make sure that it has a more secure hold, but this is how I'm building the frame for my doors. Since I am going for the shaker style door look, I needed to insert panels, and I decided to use a router to make rabbets. I do have a table saw, but I didn't have a blade, the dado blade, to create these rabbets, and I haven't had any prior experience, so I decided the router would be the best thing for me to create the rabbets. And I am just creating those so I can sit my panels down in there and they can be flush. Once I have finished cutting my rabbets, I am using wood glue to secure my panels into the frames, and I got my panels cut down at Home Depot in their wood center, and I am using 1/4 of an inch plywood, which is the birch plywood, and I just got it cut down at Home Depot and I brought it home and secured it with the wood glue. You can sit something heavy on top of this and allow it to dry overnight, but if you want a more secure hold, also use a staple gun to make sure that your panels won't move. Lastly, I'm going in with all my hardware and attaching it so I can put up the doors into the laundry area. And I bought a hardware kit from Lowe's, and I'll attach that in the description section. And it came with all the pieces, all the hinges. It did come with doorknobs, but I ended up ordering some from Amazon instead because I wanted some gold pulls. But yeah, I attached it, and that is it. And here is the finished outcome. I am so in love with these shaker style doors. I have been looking all over for these and they just turned out amazing, and for under $100. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.